Hello students. Now I am going to teach you lesson number 11, the earth. We live on the earth. It is a planet. Like us, plants and animals also live on the earth. The earth is round in shape. It is made up of land and water. We all live on land. Most part of the earth is covered with water. The earth is surrounded by an envelope of air. It is called as atmosphere. All living things need land, air and water. Without it, we are not able to live. A small model of the earth is known as a globe. The land we live on is not the same everywhere. At some places it is low, while at other places it is high. Different types of landforms. There are different types of landforms present on the earth, like plains, mountains, valleys, plateaus, forests, desert, and islands. Plains. Flat land is called a plain. Most people live and grow crops on the plains. Many rivers flow through the plains. A large number of people live here. Plains are usually hot in summer and cold in winter. Roads, houses, factories, and other buildings can be easily built on plains. Mountains. Very high areas with steep slopes are called mountains. The upper parts of the high mountains are covered with snow. The lower parts are covered with forest in the hills. Valleys. The lowland between two mountains or hills is called a valley. Rivers flow through most of the valleys. We see thick forest here. They make these areas look beautiful. Plateaus. A plateau is a highland which is flat at the top. It is also called tableland. See the picture. Forest. Forests refer to the land areas with trees, plants, and animals. Many people depend on forest for their livelihood. Deserts. A large area of land covered with sand is called deserts. Mostly camels are found in the desert area. Islands. An island is a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. See the picture. Plant and animal life. Different plants are found in different regions. Some plants, like seaweeds, grow under the water. Plants like the lotus grow in water and can be seen on the surface. Plants like the cactus grow in the deserts. Different animals are found in different regions. The camel is found in the desert, whereas polar bears and penguins are found in very cold areas. Tigers, lions, and other wild animals live in dense forest. Water on the earth. About 3/4 part of the earth is covered with water. Due to this, the earth appears bluish in color. So, it is called the blue planet. Water is found in various water bodies such as rivers, lakes, ponds, streams, seas, and oceans. Our natural environment is made up of land, air, and water. Our environment must be clean and pure. Let us keep our earth clean and green by throwing garbage in bins, keeping our surroundings clean, avoiding wastage of paper, saying no to plastic bags, planting more trees and looking after them. Thank you, students. Stay home, stay safe.